Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making soft yeast rolls. These are easy, soft yeast rolls that can be made ahead of a time and refrigerated until you are ready to bake and serve. For our ingredients, we have active dry yeast or quick rise yeast, whole milk, sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, and butter. And for your egg wash, you want 1 egg and water. You want to warm your milk up anywhere from 110 to 115 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, you want to add your warm milk and your yeast. You want to add half a tablespoon of sugar and stir to combine. You want to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes or until you see some bubbles forming. You want to add your flour and the rest of your sugar, your salt, your butter, and your egg in a mixing bowl. You want to mix together until a sticky dough forms. If you're kneading by hand, you want to turn the dough out onto a floured countertop. You want to knead from anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes or until your dough is smooth and elastic. You want to shape your kneaded dough into a ball and transfer to a lightly oiled bowl. You want to let your dough sit for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the yeast you have used. After your 1 to 2 hours is up, you want to turn the dough on to a lightly floured countertop. You want to divide into 12 equal pieces. Working with one piece of dough at a time, you want to shape the rolls. You want to line a sheet with parchment paper or a lightly greased 9x13 baking dish. You want to place the shaped rolls onto the sheet pan and you want to cover your rolls. You can refrigerate these rolls up to 18 hours. You want to remove from the refrigerator 90 minutes before you decide to bake them. If you're not going to refrigerate your rolls, You want to cover them and let them rise for about 45 minutes. Once they're finished rising, you want to brush your rolls with the egg wash. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then you want to bake them until they are golden brown. Once they are out of the oven, you can add butter to the top of your rolls. We have made soft yeast rolls. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.